I was diagnosed in 2007 of myocardial infarction. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin.
Ano po bang reason bakit binabalik-balikan niyo yung products na to?
I am a living testimony of the effectivity of Forever Living products. I'm a heart patient. I was diagnosed in 2007 of myocardial infarction. 65% of my heart muscles already died. Only 35% was saved. For 2 years, I was struggling to live. My weight gone down so much. My strength is also passing out. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. But my friend who was a dealer of Forever Living that time was inviting me to invest in Forever Living. He tried the product. I used the berry nectar, the Arctic Sea. Ito ang nagkaroon ng breakthrough sa sakit ko. Continuously, few months of taking these two, I was able to regain back my resistance. I was able to go back to the normal activities that I was doing. Because after my heart attack, nag-work pa rin ako. I cannot accept to myself na magiging baldado na ako. No, I was working as a chief accountant in a shipbuilding company. So sabi ko, hindi ako susuko. But taking these two, gumaling ako. As workaholic as I was before, I opened my business during that time. Nung sabi ko, kaya ko na ulit. Binuksan ko ang kusina ni nanay, which ran for 10 years, and grew up to 5 branches around UAE. And I can never forget how these two benefited me. So now, I came back, not just for my usage, but to do this in business. The evolving system of Forever Living is the one that convinced me na mas madali ko siyang i-business ngayon using the digital platforms. The effectivity of the product is not a question for me. How many years from 2007? I'm still alive and kicking now, still performing by the grace of God everything that I was doing before. I'm still working as a chief accountant, still do a lot of things with the same condition of my heart, 35% working until now, 65% dilated. So me myself is convinced with this product. So why not share it to somebody who might be saved their life like me? I was saved by this.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am.